At Indue, our goal is to work and keep you working. In this video, we show our decorative systems. Shown here is the technical drawing of the 4 different layers used. The process starts by hand grinding the existing concrete surface. Next, the control joints are filled with polyurea joint filler and shaved to be flush with the floor. Here, our QP3 product, Quick Patch, is being used to fix a small imperfection. This next sequence of videos shows our Indue epoxy being mixed and poured onto the concrete. Our crew then uses a notch squeegee to spread the Indue epoxy, which creates a consistent layer over top. A finish roller is then used to go over the coating once more. The paintbrush you see is used to detail the edges, doorways, and drains. The flake is then broadcasted to excess. After 24 hours, the excess flakes are first swept and then scraped flush in preparation for the first top coat. Once the top coat has been properly mixed, it is applied on top of the floor with a squeegee. After proper cure time is observed, the floor is complete and ready for work. Tough, attractive, and easy to clean, our decorative flake floors are a great option for your needs. They can be used in lobbies, offices, locker rooms, or wherever else you need.